So, would you like to set up your first Google Ads account? So don't click start now, just yet. Most people set up their account wrong and give Google control over the wallet. I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the 3 essential links you needed to connect for AI powered success. Now, if you go, I'm going to close all of this. You wanted to go into a new tab. Let's say I'm going to close all of this. There we go. I'm going to go for ads.google.com in the browser that you currently have. Inside ads.google.com, basically here, we now have access directly here for Google Ads. Now that we have the access directly inside though, what I wanted to do now is to sign in with your Google account. Google will immediately try to force you into creating an actual campaign. So look at the very bottom of the screen. It's a really small, but it's there. It says switch to expert mode. You can click this to unlock the full power of the actual platform. So don't start the campaign yet, right? You wanted of course to focus directly inside how we can actually focus, which is in my case the bidding and the preference first without spending an actual cent. So verify your Berlin country and currency. You cannot change your time zone, the currency later, so double check this. Really important to check all of that. Go directly to the billing setup. And here into my billing setup, usually what I do is to check out the billing country, the pay-in profile, the payment method, and you're actually going to be now okay with this. Once you have finished with this element, once you have finished with setting up the payment method, you want to click into submit and explore your account, and you are inside the real Google Ads dashboard. Now, we have a new appearance here, which is large, medium, small, extra small. I'm going to just leave this as it is. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. And just like that, what I wanted to do now is to connect the ecosystem. Your ads won't perform well without data, so we needed to link 3 things immediately. You want to link the GA4. This tells Google what people do day after they click. Second of all, link your business profile so you can show up into the Google Maps. And finally, link your YouTube channel, because the video assets are used across all campaign tabs, including the actual search, right? We have a few tutorials on how we can actually do this step by step with each one of them. Now, once you have successfully done that, you want of course to make sure that your account hacks are already been taken care of, because it's going to be really common nowadays. Enable the 2-step verification for all users into your account, once again into your administrator settings. Use a passkey if possible. This makes your account nearly impossible to hijack and ensures your ad budget is safe from the fake spend. Once you finish with this element, what you can do now is to start with going for the option that says create campaign. And here is your first most common way to get started with some Google Ads. Your foundation is now solid because you're ready to build your first campaign. So you can let me know into the comments below what you think about generating your first ad account. Thank you so much for watching the video. There are more tutorials like this into our channel, into our YouTube channel, so don't forget to check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can see you next time.